Do you know you can get 1,000 free miles for your Tesla? Hi everyone, today we are going to speak about the Tesla Referral Program. What it is, how it's working, the untold story behind these programs, and the rumors, the proposed changes that are going to happen potentially, so you may want to get into it. And at the end I will tell you my recommendation. So take a break, sit down and enjoy this video. Tesla is probably the only car manufacturer who sold almost 500,000 cars in 2020 without any advertising or marketing budget. This is compared to General Motors, who in the same year spent almost $3 billion in advertising. So a huge difference. So why is Tesla doing it that way? Well, this referral program is a win-win. It will give 1,000 free miles to the buyer of a new cars, but also give 1,000 free miles to the person who recommend to buy that car. And that's probably why you see referral programs on social media or on YouTube. Video like this one will have a link at the end on the comment below or on the description where you can click on it to be able to buy a new car and also get 1,000 free miles. It creates a sense of a community and a sensation of trust because you take it from somebody you know or somebody you trust. So how is it working? First, you have to try to find a link from someone you know or a YouTuber like myself. So in this example, I will use one of my videos where you can see a link in the description, or even I try to put them in the first comment. If you click on this link, you will arrive to a Tesla web page where you can select the car that you like to purchase. In this example, I will select the Tesla Model 3 and I will arrive at a new page, will confirm that I will get 1,000 free miles if I complete the order of my car. You have to select the link before you want to purchase the car. This is very important because if you do it after the purchase, you will not be able to get those free miles. So make sure you know someone or you have a link ready when you want to buy the car. At that point, the person who gives you the referral code will see your name appear in the Tesla app on his side. And I would like to thank Gary and Yannick, who were the first two to take my referral program to order their car and they got them delivered. So thank you so much for Yannick and Gary. But now, if you own a Tesla and want to share your referral link to a friend, you can also do it in the loot box on the Tesla app. This way, you can have a link that you can copy or you can email your friends with your own personal link. What you will see there as well is the number of miles you already receive based on the referral link. So in this example, you can see that I had 2 referrals and those 2 referrals led to 2,000 miles. I already used some of them, but you can see also the expiration date for those miles. The first referral will give you 6 months to use those miles. And when you get a second one within those 6 months, the extension will go to 1 year. And so if you get some new referral after the first 6 months. This will keep you going for quite a while. The top earners of Tesla referral got 1 million miles, and I don't think he's going to be able to use all of them. And the good thing is those referral codes are valid in many different countries. So even if you use the codes from someone in France or in Spain or in Italy or in England, you can buy your car in all other countries, even in the US. So make sure you click to select the car or you propose your own code to your friends. But be careful, don't abuse the systems. Tesla is putting some clear rules on the support page of what is available and what is not recommended in terms of behavior for abusing using the referral code. So take a look and make sure you use it wisely. And now I'm going to tell you about the untold story. Because in fact, you don't get 1,000 free miles. No, sorry about that. What you get is 400 kilowatt hours with the equivalent for some of those cars of 1,000 miles, but not for all the cars. For the Model 3, for example, if you drive regularly and not too rapid pace, you can get up to 1,600 miles. So it's a good deal. You will get 1,600 miles of average driving around a Tesla Model 3. So this is a trick. They advertise 1,000 miles, but in fact you get 400 kilowatt hours. So good to know. Now let's talk about the rumors. This program has been around for quite some time now, and they are talking to change it. What they want to do is to be able to do an incentive for people who really refer a car to somebody they know or somebody they can meet face to face. And there was a report done by Electrek that Tesla already spent $23 million in Q1 2021, in this quarter alone, on electricity given away for the mile referral program. This will equivalent to $100 million for the whole year. So this is probably why they want to change it. And it's not that bad. In a way, when you want to buy a car or when you want to refer someone to buy a car, you want to show them why you like it, to be able to help them out, to be able to give them a test drive. So by moving to a model where people can experience the car with you could be a good thing. But what we don't know yet is when they are going to do it, and also if this is going to be a reward in miles or in other benefits as well. It's too early to say, and probably we'll have to wait a few months for that. Or maybe it will be implemented when the Cybertruck arrive in the US or the Models Y arrive in Europe. Who knows? And now it's time for the recommendation. Well, first I would like to know what do you think about those rumors. Do you think it's a good idea or do you prefer the existing system? As the owner of a Tesla cars or as someone who wants to buy one and want to click on the link on a video? Please let me know in the comment section below. It will be good to discuss about it. But one thing for sure, if you plan to buy a new car, you should take advantage of this referral program and make sure you click on a link before you buy the car. It's a free option for you and it's a win-win for also the person who recommends the car to you. Use a referral link from a friend or you can use the one on this video. I include them on the screen, in the description and on the first comment of that video, so there is no reason for you to miss it. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you really enjoy it and you learn something about it. If you are a Tesla car owner or if you are trying to buy a new Tesla, as usual, don't hesitate to click the like button or subscribe to my channel if you didn't do it already. This really helped me to motivate me to do new video. I will leave you with those images of London. This is Hammersmith Bridge in southwest London, and hope to see you soon on another video. Thank you for watching and bye bye.